Liberal religion had its high moment at the 1893 World Parliament of Religions, when half of the 1,000 delegates were self-identified as religious liberals from all the Christian denominations, including Roman Catholic. The gospel of freedom and progress would be dashed within 2 decades by the First World War and the Vatican's condemnation of the American heresy. The 20th century saw liberal religion all over the world in retreat as humanity's evils multiplied. Reason and its sciences produced more ways of making war, extending ever more subtle forms of exploitation, and constantly avoiding equitable distribution of the planet's resources. The 20th century did not become the age of liberal religion. Liberal religion had come from the labor, suffering, and martyrdom of so many great figures. Their lives and thought imbued liberal religion with the greatest principles of humankind and seemed to foretell of an age when reason and justice would free humanity from all its evils.
Religious freedom has been co-opted by organizations and governments using religious freedom as justification for religious bigotry and persecution. In tacky business terms, the International Association for Religious Freedom has lost our label, our unique identity. Religious freedom is thought by most to be ambiguous, reactionary, and meaningless.
Why do we cower in tiny congregations of aging members? Free religion not only frees individuals, free religion can create free communities. The essence, the life force of every transformative religion is the creative, liberative, life-changing energy for a better and more positive humanity. This is the mission of IARF.
In free religion. In Japanese, the phrase is Jyoshukyo, and in Sanskrit, Sanatana Dharma. Quoting Dr. Imaoka, "For our religious groups, it is not enough to have an organization simply for religious freedom without reference to religion itself. Freedom of religion is only one aspect of free religion. So what is free religion? Free religion is not a religion that was newly created. Unlike Buddhism, Christianity, and Shinto, it was not established as a new religion. It is a religion that exists only through self-awareness and self-realization. The nature of man is free, pure, and universal. So free religion is manifest in the self-awareness and self-realization of the individual."
The transformation of IARF has already begun with an Institute for the Study of Free Religion. 2 courses, one by Reverend Andrew James Brown and another by Reverend Michinori Maruta, have already been taught, with more to be loaded onto our website as soon as it is ready. To learn about and practice free religion requires a difference. Our courses are taught by those who freely practice their faith. There are many perspectives, and a fourfold critique of religious experience is utilized. Many more courses have been developed and are waiting to be placed on our website to be taught in the coming months. The hunger for liberative faith and practice is shared both by elders and youth globally. We have so many needs for teachers, editors, and those who will contribute their time and resources. This is IARF's mission.